I want you to watch this carefully. I'm using the same eye pencil on both eyes, and then let's smudge it. So why did only one side smudge if it's the same eye pencil? Let's smudge it again. Again, it's my left eye, although it's the same eye pencil. And for the third time. Again, it's my left eye. So is that the pencil that's causing it, or is it your technique? Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today in just 3 simple steps and with just 3 simple products, I'm going to show you how to stop your kajal or eye pencil from smudging forever. So if you're ready, let's begin. Let's gather the products that we need first. We will need an eye pencil. And the one that I'm using today is from the drugstore. This is the Scandalized pencil. This is a waterproof pencil from Rimmel. For the second product, you'll need a setting powder. I'm using this one from One Size. And then for the star of the show, you will need a sealant like the Inglot Duraline. This is my absolute favorite because it works on super sensitive eyes like mine as well. We have the 3 products, and now for the 3 steps. For step 1, set around your eyes with the powder. Setting powder around your eyes helps prevent kajal from smudging by creating a matte barrier that absorbs excess oils and moisture, which are the main causes of smudging. Without powder, natural oils from the skin can break down makeup products, causing them to smear and fade all over your eyes. By applying powder, you keep the area dry, allowing the makeup to stay in place longer. And the powder is also a setting agent. It locks in your kajal or eyeliner. Next step is to apply the eye pencil or kajal. But the way I'm going to apply it is take a drop of my Inglot Duraline, dip the eye pencil in Inglot, and then apply. You don't have to use a waterproof pencil, but I like to keep it double secure, so I like to use waterproof pencils. Now, why are we mixing it with Duraline? Because Duraline's unique properties creates a seal over any pigment, including kajal. And for the third and final step, we will seal this further by using more Duraline. I'm taking it with a small brush and painting it right underneath my lashes where I just apply the eye pencil. By adding this double waterproof layer, it locks in the pigment in place, making the eyeliner more resistant to humidity, oil, and water. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to use the same eye pencil and I'm going to apply it on my left eye like all of us usually do. Just applying it directly. So there we have it on both eyes. Now let's start the smudging game. Smudging one time, and I am using a lot of pressure. My right eye, secure. Left eye, smudged. Let's try that again. My right side, still secure. And for the third time. Again, negligible smudging as compared to my left side. And the kajal is still on my waterline on my right side, whereas on my left side, it's completely gone. And in case you're curious, Inglot Duraline is super safe around the eyes. It's specifically designed to work with various eye makeup products, but you can also use it with other makeup products to increase its longevity, waterproofness, as well as pigmentation. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.